Fill up your bucket list and tackle your toughest home and outdoor cleaning projects with the revolutionary Sunjoe SPX6000 Series 40-volt max cordless pressure washers. Packed with 600 watts of pure cleaning power, the SPX6000 Series self-priming pump motor generates up to 1,160 pounds of max burst pressure per square inch to quickly and easily remove mildew stains, caked-on mud, and other stubborn gunk and grime. The first completely cordless pressure washer of its kind, Sunjoe gives you room to roam, courtesy of the powerful onboard rechargeable 40-volt EcoSharp lithium-ion battery and Easy Glide roller wheels to take your cleaning projects on the road or anywhere where water or power is at a premium. Perfect for the patio, boat, RV, and a host of chores around the house. The innovative, top-loading 5.3-gallon detachable bucket design fills quickly with fresh water to go where no garden hose has gone before, or can be connected directly for continuous use to work without stopping. 4 quick connect tips allow you to go from intense jet to gentle spray. Plus, the included soap sprayer attachment is ready whenever you want to give your cleaning blast a boost. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Featuring Sunjoe's exclusive Pressure Select technology, the SPX6000 Series lets you pick the perfect pressure to combat dirt and grime. Choose from low for quick dirt and debris cleanups, medium for everyday grease and grime, or high to tackle your toughest cleaning tasks. Plus, the SPX6000 Series comes equipped with Sunjoe's exclusive built-in Total Stop power-saving system that saves both pump and power when the trigger gun is not engaged, and a full 2-year warranty for worry-free performance season after season. So, fill up that bucket list and go with Joe. The SPX6000 Series 40-volt cordless pressure washers from Sunjoe. Get equipped.